Hey curl friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing something a little different. I will be dyeing, or I guess not dyeing, but highlighting my natural kinky curly clip-ins from To All My Black Girls. Okay, so I know a lot of people do not know where to start when you want to highlight or dye your natural hair, or it could be natural clip-ins. So I went to my hairstylist and I talked it over with her. She ended up giving me this color fusion in 75cc, which is the color copper. She gave me this color because when she highlighted my own hair, that's the color she used. So basically I just showed you all the material I will be using to highlight these clip-ins. So I will be using the color, and then I will be using the little brush just to wipe the color onto the natural extensions, and then I will be using aluminum foil to wrap the hair extensions in. Alright, so basically you just want to take the bottle of dye and you want to pour it into your developer. And when you color your hair, there's two parts to it. You have the developer and then you have the actual hair color, and they are both what makes up the hair color. They just have to be mixed. So I got that from my hairstylist. I actually didn't know anything about dyeing your hair or highlighting your hair ever. So shout out to Tiffany Mello. If you all don't follow her on Instagram, go follow her. Her name is Hair by Tiffany Mello. And then for the hair extensions, you don't want to do all of your hair because you're actually highlighting. Basically what you'll want to do is take some sections out of the hair extensions. You don't want to use all the hair, like I said, and then you'll take those sections and you'll get your brush, like I said before. After you get your brush, you basically just want to brush this hair color onto the hair, and it's super simple. One thing I do have to say about the hair color is that it had a very strong smell. So if you're not used to it, you'd be like, oh my gosh, what is this smell? But it's really easy to get used to. Didn't give me a headache or anything like that. So this is really easy, honestly. Like, you would never guess it's so easy, and that's why I'm making this video, for the people that have no idea what to do, and you also don't want to damage your hair at the same time. And that's why I asked my hairstylist how she did my own hair, just so I can do the same exact thing to the extensions. So as you all can see, I'm just brushing the dye on there, and then I'm going to be folding the aluminum foil, and then I'm going to fold it again, and I'm just going to set it over to the side, and I'm going to leave this hair color on there for about 45 minutes and just let it develop and get the color all the way in there. And then I'm just going to keep doing this, as you all can see. Then I'm going to rinse the hair color out. So it's now been 45 minutes and I'm starting to rinse the color out. So I'm just going to show you all what it looks like. And when I went to wash them, I actually didn't use a shampoo. I used a cleanser, only because I just put color on the hair and I didn't want to put any harsh shampoo on it that would strip it or anything like that. As you all can see, I'm just cleaning the hair, trying to make sure I get out as much hair color as possible, and I'm just scrunching that water out and continuing that process a couple times. And then I'm going to show you all what the hair looks like, and it was not damaged at all from this hair color. So I believe that anyone could try this. You could try it on hair extensions, you could try it on your natural hair, but these hair extensions were popping like you all. It had no product in there. I had just cleaned it, that was it. And the curls were looking really good, and if you all can tell, there's a hint of red. And then I'm going to be using the One Condition, and I'm going to be using this for my conditioner, and I'm going to condition the hair really good, and then I'm just going to let it dry after I rinse it out. I'm not going to put any product in it because I want to show you all the most natural state of the hair after I've dyed it, and just show you that it was really healthy and that it did not mess the hair up in any way at all. You can see the hair color, it's that reddish color, and in the beginning the hair was completely black. So as you all can see, the highlights came through for us and they look really good. And then, like I said, I was just going to let it dry with no product, and this is what the final result looked like. It looked so good. The hair was still really curly and shaky. It was very beautiful, and I really loved doing this. It was so much fun. And for anyone out there just wondering how you dye natural hair extensions without any damage, this is the way to do it. If you're looking for some really good hair extensions, I would definitely try out To All My Black Girls. This is where I got my kinky curly hair extensions, and I absolutely love them. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.